Legend. Ah, this is for the bike. It's the suspension. It's kind of heavy. This is it. Now my husband is ready to put the new suspension from the bike. This is how we do it. Taking off the old one and put the new one. Which one is that?
I had to get this out. Take this out and unhook it here. And take this out.
Which is the suspension here?
This. I gotta take this one out. I gotta see how I got it in there. So I'm gonna take this one out, but I gotta get this air hose out of here.
Do you remember it?
Yeah. This goes to the old one. So you hook the pump up here and pump air into these hoses and puts air in here. But the new one don't have air. It just has the shocks that we just use by adjusted by hand.
Okay.
So it'll be easy. Actually, it's probably easier if I just use this. Might have to give it an extension.
There's the new suspension that we're gonna put it there.
I'm just measuring the preload to see if it's the same.
Okay.
It's about 1 inch of spring, so they're adjusted at the same amount right now.
What are you doing now?
Getting ready to put it on. Should probably put the bottom one on first, I think.
Put the Loctite.
Yeah. Okay. These are the washers. I need a big one and a small one for each one. Small spacer, and it goes through here, and then the big spacer, and a little Loctite on it.
You're gonna cut in your hand.
Whoops.
Is that like a...
It keeps once it goes in, the bolt screws in, then that stuff will dry up and harden inside. It won't be easy for the bolt to come out.
I see.
Now this part here, I might have to raise the bike a little because it's.
There you go.
because it's not going to go in straight.
Jump
Just
in.
don't want it to go too high because I'll knock the bike over. Put a little blue Loctite on these. Oops. This is the bottom one. So I'll put it in first. At least get it started. Theoretically,
Well, you
but I
never
might
can
have to have you
tell.
do a tug on it.
It looks pretty.
I think
Yeah.
it's all right. Maybe give it a little jostle just kind of vibrate it to get it to line up. I think we're in.
There
All right,
you
let me
go.
get my. Looks like it's going in. See if you can just jostle that a little bit, Robert. Take the pressure off. Shouldn't be that hard.
Was it all the way in?
I don't think so. Now, if I get this one started in good, which I thought I did,
Yeah, I thought you did too.
it shouldn't be that hard. I guess it's already.
Well, yeah, it's got the lock washer collapsed. Is there something else that goes on there?
Okay, just jostle it up and down a little bit so get it going in there. Okay, it's in. It says to torque it down to 50 foot-pounds. Let me get the torque wrench.
That does it.
These bolts.
Tightening the bolts.
Hear it pop? That means it's at the right torque. I got this hardest to the down, which I wanted. Hopefully I got them on the right way. But I think I do.
Good job.
I don't think it matters which
Where's your
one.
knees,
Yeah, it's 13. But it'll be compressed a little bit because of the weight of the bike, they said.
Yeah.
So you measure the distance between here and here. And then when I sit on the bike, we measure it again. And we got to get it to where the difference is about 1 inch. So like if I sit on the bike and it's a 2-inch gap, then we can tighten it a little bit, the preload, so it won't spring so much. That's how you're supposed to adjust it.
Yeah.
Now let's see how it does when I take it off the... Makes me nervous taking off this thing every time. Would that make you nervous, Robert?
Move, yeah. Back and forth,
Is it still moving?
just a little bit. Yeah.
But I guess that's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, that's what it. By that reading that's what.
I mean, I guess this turns a little,
Uh-huh.
but the back and forth this way, it's not moving, so. I mean, it's in there. Exactly the way they told me to do it.
Yeah.
I suppose it's...
It wobbles.
That's one thing I never... You think they do? I know I can. See? That's how you adjust it by turning it. Ouch. But I'm going to leave it like that for now. Until I get on there and test the sag.
Putting
Okay.
back.
So here's
Putting
what I
back
need
the
you to do.
chair.
No, that's probably not going to work. Center this bolt to the center of this bolt, which is about, that's right at about 13 inches.
Okay, make measuring the.
About 13 inches. You see there?
Yeah.
13 inches.
So that's right. Testing.
I can already feel it much smoother.
Oh yeah.
Now measure from that bolt to that other bolt. Center that up on the center of the bolt.
Not lower.
What's it say?
11.
To the center of this bolt.
Ah, okay. Center. Yeah, 13.
Still at 13?
Yes.
Can you see this pointy part here?
Right.
You put it right on that mark.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? Put it right on top of that mark. And then you raise this one up here and you look and you see where the center is. It's right at 13. See
Yeah,
the dot?
13, yeah.
So what I want it to do is I want it to measure 12 to that dot.
Once you're on the bike.
When you put this down here, see it's got to come down. If I add, right now it's adjusted perfect for if it's just me.
Okay.
But then if I ride with you and our luggage, we'll have to turn these to adjust it to make it so it will accept our weight.
I see.
We'll take a test drive.
That's it. It's installed, and the next thing, hon, is test drive.
I gotta see.
That's the old one.
These are the old ones.
They look different.
I guess I can stick these air hoses back in here and pump it with air so that the fluid don't come out.
You have to keep it, hon.
Yeah, because if I ever sell this bike, I'm putting these back on and keeping these for my new bike because these are $700.
Ah, expensive. That's the original.
Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do is, this is how we used to do the,
What you're doing now?
just gonna put some air in it so I can store it away. Should see that dial go up. Unless they're leaking, it could be leaking. I'll put about 40 pounds in there and store it, or 20.
Why you have to do that, hon?
I don't have to, I like to put a little air in them to keep, because there's fluid in here and I don't want the fluid to come out. So I'm going to put 30 pounds of pressure in it. And then I'm going to put it here. And I want to store it. So it can't leak.
Store it, stand, let it stand.
I don't know if I get the box closed. There.
Putting back the old thing, all the stuff back to the bike so you can test drive it, hon.
Yep. So there's, I need to test the height with you and I both on there, but I'm not going to be able to do it without somebody here to help us.
Maybe even
But it'll probably still ride okay.
that
You
side.
think he's smart?
That's how you learn.
What I do?
Test drive.
I can already feel the difference.
Yeah.
Got a big smooth.
Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video on how to replace the suspension, and it's really nice. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and click the notification for my upcomings. See you. Bye.